Hey guys, this video is going to be my room tour. I'm actually moving out in a few days time, so I thought let me show you guys my room basically. So first of all, this is my favourite part, I've got to say. I got this dresser from a charity shop. I actually I don't oppose going to charity shops because you can actually get something really nice. These mirrored dresses are actually really expensive. They got up to about £300 maybe starting price, and I actually managed to get it for a lot less. I paid about £65 to get it delivered as well, so that was quite good, and it's really nice. It's got one drawer and it came with the mirror as well, which is quite nice. So yeah, never be afraid to go into second-hand shops and stuff because you can actually get something nice. But yeah, this is my favourite part of my room for sure. And this is my drawer. I've had this for a good 3 to 4 years. I actually bought it for me and my sister. So when I moved out, my mum was like, take your drawer with you, forgetting that my sister will need it too. But yeah, I got that drawer here because I'm in the middle of packing everything up because I'm moving. But before, all my makeup and stuff was here. This is Zahras stuff. I don't know what it's doing here. This is actually a part of my face steamer. And then that Zahras cream as well. You know, when you have a child, you have there's stuff there everywhere in the house. I forgot to show you guys my shoes. By the way, if I sound weird, it's because I've got a cold. So these are my heels. Most of my shoes are actually still at my mum's house. But yeah, that's where I put my heels. Love. I don't really get to wear them anymore. So I got this lamp from Argos. Gosh, Zahra's little handprints. And then this desk. Do you know what? It looked way bigger online. I'm actually thinking of getting rid of these and getting the Malm ones from IKEA because I just prefer them. And this is my beautiful bed. Beautiful bed. I love it. This is literally my favourite part. Let me step back. I was really lucky. So I bought this bed from Benson's for beds and it was on sale. So the bed frame itself was about £200 and then I got the mattress for about £250 or £260. So I paid just under £500, which is quite good. I got the throw pillows from Primark. And yeah, I got this bedding. Actually, my sister gave me this bedding. So, and then I got this from Wilko. It was for about £3. Guys, you have to shop around. I'm very stingy with my money, so I believe in shopping around. So yeah, this is another view of the room. Spotlights as well, like Zahra's room. There's baby Zahra. She always has to be everywhere that I am. And then there's this mirror. It was about £10. I bought it before I moved into this property. And that's where I keep my wig. Do you know what, funny story, every time that we're going out, I say, Zahra, we're going out. She says, wig, mummy, wig. And she's literally comes here and she stands right here, pointing at the wig, saying that don't forget to wear your wig. It's quite funny. Alright, she's eating very loudly. Alright, this mirror, I bought it from Amazon. Actually, I think it was about £14. I forgot the price. I got this from Superdrug. It's just got all my makeup in because I'm moving, so I've got all the junk in there. And yeah, I got this drawer, the brown one, from a second-hand shop as well. And it was, how much was it? £20. And if you see how sturdy this is, this wood. Excuse these, my hot tea kind of marked it. But yeah, and it's got quite deep drawers. For 20 quid, this is normally over £100 and I got it for £20. So yeah, I like to have a little look before I spend a lot. And there's a second drawer to match as well as the bedside table and lamp, I mean, yeah. And yeah, that's the bed. That is it. I don't know what else to show. My boots, I guess. My wellies. My room is not so exciting. So yeah, it's a bit boring. I don't like colours. I'm more of a grey and white person. Oh yeah, this rug is from Amazon. But yeah, more of a grey and white person. So when I moved to this house, it was empty, and this was the first time that I was living by myself. So I literally had to buy everything. You can just imagine how broke I was after. So yeah, but it's a good investment because everywhere I move now, I'll just need to carry my stuff instead of having to worry about buying new things. The only disadvantage that I did not have any wardrobes in here, and I didn't think that there would be any space. But luckily, the new place, the landlord has got some furniture in, so there's like sofas and there's like a wardrobe as well. So stuff that I don't have, he's got in his house. So yeah, happy days. So I'm kind of glad that I didn't waste my money buying wardrobes, and this room would have been really squashed if I did. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.